I'm like, ooh, the one my heart has gone to may not go to wait. Go tick, oh tickle, 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 tock. Tickle, tick, oh tickle, 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 tock. Tickle, tick, oh tickle, tickle.
Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. You know that intro, it was lit, it was bomb, and it wasn't me. Yes, it was Tamia here on YouTube, guys. If you want to check her channel out, her link will be in the description. Guys, when I tell her makeup is always flawless and her videos is just on point. I really love how she does her makeup, guys. So if you're into makeup and all of that, you should definitely go check her channel out and tell her I sent you Cardi, you know, show some love and all of that jazz. So yeah, let's get into the video. So I've already primed my face and now I'm going in with the foundation and just buffing it out. It's a matte foundation and it came off a bit olivey, but after it oxidized it was totally fine. So I'm going to conceal, highlight my inner areas, and I'm using the LA Pro concealer in Toffee. Blending time, guys. We're going to blend, and yeah, I'm using the Real Technique sponge here and I'm just doing dabbing motions, and my sponge is damp, so that helps too, and I really like how it just spreads. Look how nice that is. Oh, looking so flawless, girl. You come true. I see you. And we're using the foundation brush just to, you know, you don't want to see the different line from the concealer to your foundation. So your girl came from work and tired, so I needed that little coverage, so I added a lighter concealer, which is yellow, under my eyes. Yes guys, yellow, just a dab, just to give me that little oomph, you know, highlight. So we're gonna set those areas. I don't want to set too much because this foundation is really matte. It's really matte in my opinion. And yeah, just gonna set a little bronze, add blush, and that's it. So just keep on watching.
I'm like, ooh, the one my heart has gone to may not go to wait.
I'm still here. Are you still watching? If you're still watching, hit that subscribe button, guys. Join the family, and also remember to check out Tamia Henry video. So we're moving on to the eyes, and we're using the Maybelline Fit Me in Sun just to prime our eyes, set it, and then go in with our shadow. The palette that I'm going to use today are the Jaclyn Hill palette and also the Morphe 35B palette. I'm sorry I did not insert pictures of the colors that I use or the palette in the video, but I have no excuse, guys. I totally forgot. But I'm using this mustardy color, the only yellow that's in the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm building that color up using my M535 brush by Morphe. And I really love this brush, guys. It's a really all over blending brush. Love it so much, guys. If you want precision, or if you want to just pack your color lightly, it's good to hold it by the end of the brush, the end, and just, I realize that works out really good for me. I've been trying it and it's been really improving my blending. So just a little tip out there for you. And you see how we're just building that color up. Yes, you really want to build your color up, guys. Build. We're going to cut the crease after this. Blendage. Yes, blendage is the new word. But yeah, we're gonna cut our crease and all of that. So I'll let you watch that until it's reached to the point where we're adding color. I'm back. So yeah, we're patting off the excess, then we're going to go in with the 35B, and the white that's in that palette, so I'm going to add it to the lid. Now the thing with this this white, sorry, it is not as pigmented. It doesn't give you that good coverage, so that's why it was looking a bit patchy. And also I'm going in with that orange color in the 35B palette and add that there, then you know, blend out the outer edges. Now this is a pigment that I bought on Amazon. I'm just gonna put it on the overall lid so the patchiness doesn't look too bad. Now this is the Maybelline Stay Matte liner. It's a really nice liner, a dry matte. It is actually true to that. It's very affordable, so if you're looking for a nice affordable matte eyeliner, this is the one for you. So guys, I did struggle here. Okay, it's like 2:30 in the morning, so bear with me. We're gonna brush all of that away and we're going to move on to the lips eventually, but no, we're gonna set our face with a Morphe setting spray. But this is the NYX lip pencil in brown, and then we're going to go in with the ColourPop times Shayla lipstick. I don't remember the name specifically, but I'll leave it in the description. Then we're going to go in with the ColourPop by I Love Sarah Lee lip gloss to just top it off, and that will be the finish of the look. If you enjoyed this video, guys, remember to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification, and also remember to check out Tamia Henry here on YouTube, okay, and see her inspired fall look that she created. Love you guys. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Go to town, this Tico Tico, he's a cuckoo in my car.